Cumi Profix 150T stands out as an exceptional ceramic compound, renowned for its exceptional resistance to wear and tear. Its ease of manual mixing and application makes it a reliable choice for shielding equipment surfaces against sliding, abrasion, wear, and corrosion, thereby extending the intervals between equipment shutdowns. The purpose of this video is to provide a clear, step-by-step guide on the correct procedure for mixing and applying Cumi Profix 150T ceramic compound. Ensuring safety is a top priority, so it is imperative to have the necessary personal protective equipment (PP) in place before commencing the mixing process. Cumi Profix 150T is conveniently packaged within a cardboard box containing a 10 kg pack of Part A and 400 ml of Part B. This package includes a pair of nitrile gloves, a spatula, and a sheet for blending, all ready for on-site usage. Depending upon the usage, take the contents of both Part A and Part B containers from the 10 kg kit onto the mixing board and thoroughly blending them. In situations where only a quarter of the kit is required, our demonstration will guide you on how to maintain the correct ratios. Take 1/4 of the ceramic compound and distribute it evenly across the mixing board. To accurately measure out 1/4 of the liquid hardener, rely on the graduation marks on the bottle of Part B. The subsequent step involves a 5 to 7 minute mix of Part A and Part B. It is essential to ensure a thorough blend at an ambient temperature of 23 degrees Celsius. The blended compound has a pot life of 15-20 minutes, with the surface solidifying after approximately 1 hour. In instances where temperatures drop below 15 degrees Celsius, it is essential to raise the surface temperature above this threshold before applying Cumi Profix 150T. Our video presentation features the application process on a steel component, underscoring the paramount importance of proper surface preparation free from dust, rust, or any other foreign particles. When applying the mixture, ensure that it adheres firmly to the steel component. The time for curing Cumi Profix 150T hinges on temperature and the thickness of the coating. To guarantee a smooth and even surface, we advocate the use of a nylon roller to level the applied Cumi Profix 150T on the component. If necessary, you can introduce water over the rollers to facilitate leveling, but exercise caution not to oversaturate the surface, as this can compromise the adhesive properties of the binding resin. The complete curing is achieved within 24 hours. The compound has firmly set, and you can now see that Cumi Profix 150T is well adhered to the steel component. We've also conducted a nylon hammer test to confirm the adhesive compatibility, swiftly resolving any wear-related concerns. Thank you for viewing our informative video. For any additional information or inquiries, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at www.cumiceramics.com.